One of our subscribers requested for the Kesari recipe preparation. So here it is. Hello everybody, welcome to Tamilchef. In this video, we're gonna see the most common and classic sweet preparation with a small twist. It's Saffron Kesari. So let's get started preparing the Saffron Kesari. Heat up a pan and add quarter cup of ghee, around 60 ml. Use only 1/4 of it and secure some for final touch. Add quarter cup of cashew nuts, around 25 grams. You may reduce or increase it. Simmer the flame and fry the cashew nuts for couple of minutes, not into too golden brown. Then you can add 20 grams of raisins to it. You may reduce or increase the nuts quantity according to your choice. Fry for another 30 seconds, then remove and keep it aside. The reason we are removing bit early, since even after removing, the nuts will turn into golden brown. In the same pan, you can add 1 cup of Sooji, Rava, around 120 to 130 grams. Simmer the flame and add the Sooji Rava. Fry the Rava until it turns like a sandy texture. Make sure you keep sauteing to avoid Rava turning brown. Before starting the Rava roasting process, keep around 2 to 2.5 cups of water for boiling. Make sure the flame is simmered, then add the water and keep stirring to avoid any lumps formation. This part is a bit difficult, so pay attention to it and cook the Rava completely. Once the Rava is cooked completely, we are going to add the saffron water. The saffron water is nothing but a little bit of saffron is soaked with the warm water. Add the saffron water and mix the Rava thoroughly until the Rava absorbs the water completely and it turns slightly yellowish. Now we can add 1 to 1.5 cup of sugar and 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. I said 1 to 1.5 cup of sugar since I used only 1 cup of Rava and 1 cup of sugar. I like it very milder in the sweet part. People who like the sweetest dessert, then you can add up to 1.5 cups of sugar for 1 cup of Rava. Once the sugar dissolves completely, add the remaining ghee which we secured from the beginning of the recipe. The reason we add some ghee while finishing the recipe will helps to improve the aroma. Also, it gives some smooth texture to the kesari. Finally, add the fried cashew nuts and raisins and give a final mix. Spread and set it flat. Cover the kesari and cook for 2 to 4 minutes. Now the yummy and super tasty aromatic saffron kesari is ready. Look at the texture. Believe me, I tasted the kesari. It came out very well. What you are waiting for? Let's start plating. If you find my recipe helpful, please do consider subscribing and share with your sweet lover friends. Give a thumbs up and comment your favorite recipe to be uploaded in the Tamilchef. This is Chef Naresh signing off. We'll see you in the next recipe. Have fun cooking.